Well, on people, thanks for power to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. You don't know it's the new year, you know. And the first Pattern News for the year. We just want to tell everybody a happy new year. Hope so the new year are going good so far. We're wishing them the best for the rest of the new year. See me? Now, as you can realize, I'm meticulously scrutinized. You know, we get a new like, intro, a new background and them thing. They don't know, say, everything update, you know.
Love you look, yeah, give them a update.
Yeah, man, everything update right now, people. Only thing we don't fix still at the AC. First thing on the news right now, people, I never have to start the news, so. But I have to start it off on a note. It's not the best note, but I have to start it off with COVID. You see me? I know we're tired. I know we're tired for talk about COVID, but I really think we are doing right now. People, at least 1,000 cases a day right now, no? From COVID, you know? From the year starting, people. No, man, we have to do better, man. Right now, it's almost like, yo, if a man brush pan you catch COVID. And that can't be the case, people. That means, say, yo, not the one supposed to do. Well, they're not the one supposed to do. It's almost like, because the curfew at 10 o'clock now, everybody just done fool. Yo, people back a couple months, you know, we never tree body, you know. Never go on tree body. We there one place where you somebody cough, we don't look on them too hard. You see me? Right now, people, if somebody even clear them throat, they might get one of this. And one of this. People don't go easy, man. All who never have sinusitis problem and them think they have trouble with them sinus and them allergy. Because someone right now is yo, something out for you too good, you know, I feel like I'm a sinus surgery, you know. So I go and watch it. Stop watch it and go to the doctor. And if you don't go to the doctor, go and get a COVID test and make sure that you have about sinus. You never have sinus problem from your born. You have about your sinus problem. Nah, man. Yo, people, don't tell that thing as serious and stop joke around the thing, you see me? Next thing for the news right now, people, as you realize, you're not Jamaican and supposed to know the crime rate out of hand from the year start. It's almost like the man just step on a rampage. You don't know COVID and man a kill man. What really are going on in our country right now? As I say, I don't mean to start out the news like this, you know, but this are going on in our country right now. Man just are dead like fly. Yo, you know, man? Just want to talk to the man them we are kill out the one another. You want to ease, you know, brother? Easy, you know, brother. Find something constructive, you know, man. Me not even know what to tell you, if you look. Because right now, me not have a crime plan, you know. Jesus, you have your call plan right now. Me not have a crime plan. But I do not have the crime plan, you know, people. But I feel like so we could have get on better press conference. At least someone forget to hopes up a little bit about what go on with crime and them something there. At least a little plan. For me, I could say, boy, you not think about something. But I feel like said this some about for do at the press conference where they deserve. Producer, beg you the press conference background there. Good evening, citizens of Jamaica. Now, I have called this press conference to talk about the rate of murder and crime that has been affecting Jamaica over the last few months. So, with the fact that our murder rate has been spiraling out of control and out of hand over the last few weeks especially, I have come to the realization that I must implement a new crime task force with the acronym GB, also known as Government Badness. Now, this task force will be headed by the one, the only, Mr. D. Cardova himself. Now, you guys have been asking for him to return. You have sent me letters, I've seen emails, gotten DMs, songs have been made about it, and now he's returning. But I want to let you know that when you see me in the streets, do not call me Andrew. Do not call me Mr. Wholeness. Call me Mr. Clean, because every corner I go get shampoo. I've also moved the minister in charge of security to a sleeping cabinet since he desires to sleep. Oh, I should also advise that Floyd is back. Is that too quick? Yeah, man, people, that's our press conference what they deserve. That what they deserve. But how we get a Zozo. And are you crazy? Next thing I know, you know, them say chicken price are increasing.
I'm tired! Jesus, I'm tired! My God!
Everything I increase, but right now, people, to all the things set, you know what I have to do. You know what I have to do. You know do nothing. What if you realize that we love chicken? We would have never boycott one chicken. Trust me, would have never. People, you remember say, KFC, big deal. They are $8.50, you know. Just a couple months ago, $8.50. I changed to $1,050. Want to see the line I'm getting a shorter? Want to see the line I'm getting a shorter? Matter of fact, look at the line I'm getting longer. People now stop buying chicken. But right now, it's either I'm not going to boycott it, or I'm not going to buy some chicken back and them thing. But if you're not going to boycott it, that means that you're not going to get some of this.
Zebra, walrus, giraffe, hippopotamus. We don't want a chicken, we tired of them thing there, regular powder.
You man have to open up on the pallet right and you have to consider them in some frog leg and some cat and some stew dog and them thing. I mean, it sounds disgusting, but it is what it is. You have to do what you have to do. Yeah, upon a little lighter note, you know. PNN normally discriminate against people and look on people appearance and them thing and make judgment and we're not about them life there. I know we that. But me kinda confused. Anybody can tell me what I go on, sir? What I go on, sir?
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Hey, right now I'm telling you, the brother look like one of the villain them from one of the Marvel movie them, you know. Yeah, man, I know the villain them one used to work at a chemical factory and some accident go on and him drop in a chemical and some biological reaction and boom, I him that. Look like plastic. You're confused. I'm sure you're confused too. So right now I need some sports news. And now I will have Yardman Sports and my father in a minute and give you some sports. But him still up on holiday and everything. This was him forward back, man. Me, I got start out the sports news today. So we know the Reggae Boyz them have some qualifying match forward. And them do a little friendly against Peru over there and them lose and thing. But I have a little point for share. Boy, I feel like going. Because PNN not just deal with news and we're versatile. You know? So you're the point, my people. So who da knew? The Reggae Boyz lost 3-0 in them friendly match with Peru. Paula says a learning experience, people. It's a friendly that's soft. But we have to wonder if Tapper slung on the yard and watch on the TV and just a laugh. But because we're going on the 27th now, when we face Mexico in the office. Alright, that's how we're going to find out, people, if the man's serious about his work or if he move like him is a novice. Jamaican say cool runnings again. Yeah, man. As we qualify for another Winter Olympics with the bobsleigh team, people. Yeah, man, we are far back at Winter Olympics again. But that's why I big up the bobsleigh team and I want to make you know, say, make sure you walk on the 10 span and them thing there. Because we can't bother. If you see no wobble and go down, so, you know, we're not deal with that again. That's a cool runnings days, we're not do that now. So big up on yourself still and walk on the 10 spanner. You see me? Make sure everything tighten up and them thing there. Thanks for follow back, people. You don't know say the whole news that you know. We don't have no more news to give, you know. If you don't have more news, you can check in probably next 2 weeks or so. We're getting our next full coverage of what going on in the country and them thing there. But people, I beg you know one thing. For the people that want to subscribe to the channel yet, I beg you just press the subscribe button there right there, so. Just do it right now before you even exit the video. And just stay a little thumbs up there. If you don't like the video, just press it, man. Don't press it 2 times though. Just press it 1 time and move on. You see me? But Patwanewsnetwork just want big enough for the support and them thing there. You see me? I just make it know so we're giving them more news, more sports, more weather and them thing there. PNN style. Straight. Thanks for following back to the Patwanewsnetwork. Big up on yourself. You're done.